the street behind me will be full of all the competitors in the Gympie stage of the ARC. The streets are pretty quiet right now, and each year in the forests and streets surrounding Gympie, a motorsports event comes to life. I always wondered how they got these looking so perfect and shiny. On Saturday, it's the first time that the rally has run a special stage, which is in the centre of Gympie CBD. You can see they've been at work today, setting everything up. From the town centre to the forestry tracks, Gympie becomes a place where precision and teamwork define the outcome. The Accent Bench Tops Rally Queensland, part of the ARC, the Australian Rally Championships, test drivers and co-drivers across fast forest roads, technical stages and unforgiving conditions. Hosting the rally, Gympie features stages in Imbil, Armamore, Bruyere, and this year there is a new CBD stage, the SSS special stage, in the city on Saturday morning. Right now it's kind of quiet. There's the racket of the birds, of course, and there are quite a few people around though, naturally, setting up the area for this weekend. Rallying in Australia has had endurance events since the early 1900s. Australia's first motor race was in Sandown in Victoria in 1904. This picture shows Harley Tarrant tearing down the back straight in his Argyle to win the 3-mile race for heavy automobiles. Tarrant's average speed was 26 miles per hour for the 3 miles in a time of 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Held on a Friday night, the street event behind me brings all the rally cars into the town centre so the spectators can have a look themselves. The SSS, the special super, now hang on a minute, I think it's super special. It is. The super special stage of the rally is come to Gympie. The streets get closed off, it's a controlled urban environment with Australian drivers pushing it to the limit right in front of the people. That's quite cool, really. Harry Bates is a multiple-time Australian champion. Competing in a GR Yaris Rally 2, he remains a leading contender in the championship. Coral Taylor, who partners with Bates, is one of the most experienced co-drivers in Australia. Lewis Bates is another strong Australian competitor. Driving a Toyota GR Yaris Rally 2, his co-driver is Anthony McLaughlin. Scott Pedder, a former ARC champion, is partnered with co-driver Glenn McNeil. They drive a Skoda Fabia RS Rally 2. Jackson and his father Damien form a family-based driver and co-driver pairing. The crew are competing in a Skoda rally car, taking on Gympie's fast and technical forestry stages. I wonder what happens if his father has to tell him off for something. Now there's a Kiwi driver that I was looking for in this entry list, and I see he's not here this year. Hayden Padham and his co-driver John Kennard. They won the 2025 Accent Benchtop Rally in Queensland. They took victory in a Hyundai 120N Rally 2. Hayden and John are not racing at this year's Gympie stage because they were selected by Hyundai Motorsport to compete in the 2026 WRC, so their focus is on that rally. So I've come back to Gympie today to have a look at this super special stage, the SSS. It's the first time this has happened in Gympie.
Troy down, Bernie Webb, revving it up for your delight. Accent bench tops. You can fix that. Let's hear some noise for the top contenders for this rally.
Earlier today there were drifting demos that were scheduled between the championship rally sessions. Just a few minutes from Memorial Park is the main street of Gympie, which is now filled with classic cars that paraded up the street earlier. Jeez, look at the size of this ute. I tried to fight, but a pale blue. Accent Benchtops Rally Queensland has undergone a few name changes. It has been known historically as the Warana Rally, Lutwich Shopping Rally, James Hardy Rally, and Kema Plastics or Kema Classic Rally. From 2009 to 2016, it was part of the Asia Pacific Rally Championship, which brought global competitors to the region and was sometimes known as the Rally of Queensland. I'm heading back to my car now. Now I think it's really cool that the Mayor, Glenn Hartwick, really supports this Rally Championship in Gympie. This, of course, would bring a long-term focus on tourism for the area, which is always good for rural country towns. The forest roads and the natural terrain of the area around Gympie make it an ideal condition for rallies. The rally typically runs over 3 days, and each day having its own distinct role in the competition. Friday acts as an opening phase, reconnaissance. Wheels on Merry on Friday night introduce the competitors and the cars to the public. Saturday is usually the most demanding day, featuring the longest and most technical stages of the rally. The crews complete multiple loops of the stages and return to the service parks for repairs and adjustments. This is often where the rally is decided, as it becomes quite intense during these competition stages. And Sunday concludes the event with shorter stages, often referred to as the final heats. Watching motorsport can be an interesting pastime. So is people watching though. Having experienced rallying from inside the car, I can tell you that precision is incredibly important. As a co-driver, I completely understand the trust that you need to have between driver and co-driver. The pace notes must be clear and exact and delivered at exactly the right moment for every bend, crest, a grade of the turn, giving them an idea of what's coming up. And they have to have complete faith in you, the co-driver. Once I got over my initial panic at hurtling towards a corner flat out, I really enjoyed the intensity of the competition, especially when you could shave a few seconds off your round when repeating it 2 or 3 times in a day. Often at high speed, the role demands focus, attention to detail, and a bit of bravery, I guess. It's a role that demands focused timing and complete trust in the notes. These remote locations highlight the true conditions of rallying. It is here, away from the crowds, well, apart from the spectators at the popular events, this is the essence of the sport that is most visible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. It is helping this channel to grow. Life with Sheryl Gray, and I'll see you in the next one.